Welcome to my channel. Friends, as you all know, a thumbnail is very important for a YouTube video. Now, if you want to create the best and most eye-catching thumbnails using AI, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you an amazing AI tool that lets you create thumbnails for free. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal a secret that will help you use this AI tool unlimited times. So, make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. So first, we're going to create this Merbeast thumbnail using AI. For that, the first step is to open YouTube. You'll easily find videos here, and if not, you can simply use the search bar to find them. Now we need to download the thumbnail of this video. To download the thumbnail of any video, you need to open a new tab and search for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. And press the Enter key. Now open the second link from the search results, or you can find the link in the description. Now head back to YouTube. To download any video's thumbnail, simply right-click on the video and choose Copy Link Address. Now go to the YouTube Thumbnail Downloader, paste the link there, and click on Get Thumbnail Images. Here, you'll see the thumbnail of the video in different sizes. Just click the download button above the size you want to download. Now, after downloading the thumbnail, open ChatGPT. Click on the plus button, then select Upload from Computer. Choose the thumbnail file and click the Open button. Once the thumbnail is uploaded here, you need to type this prompt. Describe this image in detail and in point-wise. Once you've typed the prompt, just press the Enter key. Now wait for a moment while it generates the detailed description. After the description is generated, copy it. Now open a new tab and type Leonardo.ai in the search bar, then press Enter. Now click on the Get Started button. Now you'll need to sign up. You can do it using your Google account or with your email, whichever you prefer. So now, complete the sign up process here. After signing up, wait for a few moments. Now you'll see a Getting Started pop-up. Check the options shown and click on Let's Go. Here, you'll also find pre-made videos and images that you can use. Now click on Images from the sidebar. First, it will show you a guide, which you can close or cancel if you want. At the top, you'll see a Type a Prompt box. Here, you need to paste the description. Below, you'll see Image, Video, and Flow status buttons. You can use them. You can select the ratio and number of images, but only the 4-image option is free. It's mean that you'll get 4 images each time you generate. You'll also find some other settings. Here, you'll see a Generate button. If you click it, you'll get 4 images, and 39 credits will be used. You can check that you have 150 credits available every day. Click the Generate button and wait for a moment. As you can see, it has created some great thumbnails. Click on it to enlarge and view. If you don't like it, check the description once and customize it as per your preference, and click on the Generate button again. Or go back to ChatGPT. Click the Regenerate button and then select Auto. As you can see, it has provided a new description. Copy it. Now paste it in Leonardo and click the Generate button. As you can see, it has created thumbnails in a different style. You can use them if you like. If you want to create your own thumbnail instead of using someone else's, type this in ChatGPT. Suggest me a thumbnail idea for this title and then put your title in double quotes. If you want to give it some instructions like how the thumbnail should look, you can write that too. and press the Enter key. Now copy the entire prompt. Go to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt there, and click the Generate button. And you can see how well it has created professional thumbnails. If you want to download any of them, simply click the download button below it and download it. As you can see, when we generate images, the credits go down, and when they go down, you can't use it anymore. So, if you want to use it unlimited for free, first click on the Leonardo.ai logo, then click on your profile and sign out. Now you will be taken back to the sign up area. Now open a new tab, type temp mail and press the Enter key. Now, many websites will appear here. Open any one of them. Here, you will get a temporary mail. Copy it. Now, go to Leonardo and sign up using this mail. Choose a password and click on Create Account. Now, a verification code will be sent to this temp mail. You need to go back to the same temp mail, and you will find an email there. Once you open it, you will get the verification code. Copy it from here and paste it into Leonardo AI, then click on Continue. And you will get 150 credits again. In this way, you can create as many accounts as you want and create the best at catching and professional thumbnails for free.